Let's learn about families. Chicken family. Rooster is the daddy, hen is the mom. Baby chick goes peep peep and follows along. Sheep family. Ram is the daddy, Ewa is the mom. Lamb is the baby, so gentle and calm. Horse family. Stallion is the daddy, Mare is the mom. Foal is the baby who runs on the farm. Deer family. Buck is the daddy, Doe is the mom. Fawn is the baby that sleeps near Palm. Duck family. Drake is the daddy, Duck is the mom. Duckling is the baby who swims with her mom. Cow family. Bull is the daddy, Cow is the mom. Calf is the baby born on the farm. Pig family. Boar is the daddy, so is the mom. Piglet is the baby that rolls in the sun. Peacock family. Peacock is the daddy, Heron is the mom. Peachick is the baby that follows along. Now we've met each family from sky to land and sea. Mom, dad, and baby too. Animal families just like you. Round and round the sun we go, planets dancing in a row. 8 big worlds circling around, spinning, shining, feeling fine. Mercury is small and hot, closest to the sunny spot. Gray and rocky, dry and bare, zooms around with speedy flare. Venus shines so bright and high, like a diamond in the sky. Golden yellow clouds so thick, make it hot and volcanic quick. Earth is where we live and play, blue and green in a lovely way. Oceans, forests, skies of blue, perfect home for me and you. Mars is red with dusty ground, robots there go all around. Reddish, orange, dusty hue, it might hold water too. Jupiter is big and wide, with a great red spot inside. Orange, brown, and white it shows, with stormy clouds that always blow. Saturn's rings are fun to see, they're made of ice and rock debris. Pale gold color, soft and bright, with spinning rings in perfect light. Uranus spins on its side, with blue-green clouds it loves to hide. Icy blue with misty glow, it moves so slow and low. Neptune's winds are super fast, it's the farthest one so vast. Deep sea blue, a windy ball, coldest planet of them all. 8 bright planets going round and round, colored skies in every hue. Come along and sing this song, our solar system's big and fast. 10 little cars racing on the road, zooming fast in a speedy mode. One hit a tree and couldn't align, now they're only 9. 9 little cars driving through the gate, one hit a rock twisty drive, lost its grip in overdrive. Now there are only five. Five little cars zooming on the floor. One broke down and made a roar. Couldn't go fast anymore. Now there are only four. Four little cars dashing past a tree. One hit a puddle and slid off with glee. Splash went the wheels, now can't see. Now there are only three. Three little cars, red, green, and blue. One ran out of gas, oh boo-hoo. Waved goodbye as it bid adieu. Now there are only two. Two little cars going back to back. One lost control on the final track. Spun and flipped with a thud and crack. Now there's only one left on track. One little car zooming with grace, waving flags, it's winning the race. Crosses the line in first place pace. Champion smile on its face.
Down by the river, cool and wide, lives a croc who loves to hide. Green and scaly, big and strong, snaps his jaws and spins around. He swims slow and grins along. That's the tricky, scaly crocodile. He hides under the reed and logs, plays peekaboo with leaping frogs. The turtles giggle, the fishes flee, as he hunts with a toothy grin. In the sun he lays so still, on a rock beside the hill. He dreams of snacks and opens his mouth with sleepy blinks. He looks around, don't be fooled, he's sly, that clever scaly crocodile. When the moon begins to glow, he tippy-toes and moves slow. He loves a stroll when it's dawn, with a tail that sways along. Mighty crocodile with florid eyes, be careful when you spot him out. If you see him by the stream, smile and watch, but don't touch him. He is fierce and really strong. Wave hello from far off land. Let's be safe and keep him safe. That's his moral we learned today.
Paws that pitter-pat. He'd follow Arlo on every step and love to chase the cat. They'd run around the garden path through leaves and flowers bright. The pup would sniff and wag his tail, seeing Arlo around. He'd chase the butterflies beneath the morning sun as it danced and twirled above his head. He barked and made it fly away. He barked woof woof at the buzzing bees, then chased them through splashing water. They jumped and stomped together in the muddy puddles, then jiggled off water from its furry coat. The pup followed Arlo to school one day. He played with kids and jumped up high. He wiggled, wagged his tail around, and made the kids giggle aloud. Why did the pup love Arlo so much? The kids asked around. Oh, because Arlo loved and cared, with hugs that felt so warm, a voice so kind, a hand so soft. He kept his puppy safe from harm.
Brown bear, big and strong, climbing high where you belong. With your claws so sharp and bright, up the mountain, what a sight. Growling, howling, searching for honey, in the forest, warm and sunny. Brown bear, what do you see? A world of wonder, wild and free. A shade so brown, roaming forests up and down, sniffing scents with a mighty roar, finding honey you adore. Growling, howling, searching for honey, in the forest, warm and sunny. Brown bear, what do you see? A world of wonder, wild and free. Trees, across the streams, living wild, chasing dreams. Under moonlight, break of dawn, brown bear marches on and on. Growling, howling, searching for honey, in the forest, warm and sunny. Brown bear, what do you see? A world of wonder, wild and free. Winter comes, the snow will fall. In your den you curl up small, dreaming sweetly, safe and tight, till spring returns with morning light. Growling, howling, searching for honey, in the forest, warm and sunny. Brown bear, what do you see? A world of wonder, wild and free.
Hi, it's Emma again. Hope you all liked our video. And if you did like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. See you soon.